Yeah guys, let's talk about something interesting today. So before then, let me take you through the process of how I got to Enugu to install a running light. And this was my route. This city of Enugu is very good. Look how beautiful the place looks. So that's me. We're moving straight to Enugu town. Though I've been in Enugu, but I haven't stayed that long. So we finally arrived at the Angelo Hotels. So here is where we started the job after marking it out, taking the necessary measurement and putting the designs on the walls. So this design over here is different from the other one over the other side. So there are different kinds of design, two on the walls, while one on the POP. So this is it. This one is sketched and it is open. So first and foremost, we make sure we sketch the wall. We had our measurement and we had the design we had intention of installing it on. So after achieving that, we opened it with the help of our machine. And after that, we focus on this side of the wall. This one is just L type design 3L. And after that, we got our profile. And if you look very well, you realize that this profile is different from some of the profile. This profile line has so many profiles. So I haven't installed the ones on the wall. So I had to go to the POP. And I'm not that tall. So with the help of a scaffold, we're able to achieve that. So if you look very well, it's just like a trapezium sign, or more or less a square-like sign, square-like design. It wasn't easy anyway, but we achieved it. So having done that, we had to install our profile. I know most of you will be wondering, how can I install this profile? So I haven't gotten your profile. What you need to do is just open it and get the necessary measurement after designing your POP with any design that comes in your mind. So then you put it in the hole you've created already, the design, then you insert it in, then you use your screw, this furniture screw. I believe if people know it, technicians know that screw. They want furniture of often use. So you use it, you screw it like this profile, you screw it by the side, while the other profile you screw it in the middle, and make sure there is a wood inside where the screw will be screwed in. You screw from the profile to the wood. That wood in it helps in holding both the profile and the POP together, so to ensure the profile doesn't fall later on. So why do you need to screw it or pour POP mixture cement on the profile? It's to ensure it is well strong, it is firmed. So while working, we had an accord. Say what you just said. So that's it. We're still working on this side out. That we finished installing the LED light on the profile. So it's now left for us to close it with the cover of the profile. So please, if you've watched this video up to this moment, up to this time, please just subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a share. Make sure you share the video to your friends and of course to your relatives, so they will get to see it and learn as well. So as time goes on, we'll be dropping more of this. And don't forget to click the notification icon you're seeing on the screen. This notification helps in notifying you whenever we drop videos. So this is me. That was when I was installing the cover. I was closing it. If you look very well, you see the view is different, unlike the other side where you will be seeing the little eyes of the LED light. But this one is just the reflection that comes from the light that you'll be seeing. So it's just plain and nice. So that's it. So wherever you're watching this, please just give us a follow and like this video. So one thing, what I did was the sensor that controls this wall and that of the POP are quite different. So the one I use in installing the POP on is different. Just one sensor that controls that of the POP, and the other sensor that controls that of the wall. So though I did it in a way that you can use a switch to switch both of them off, and you can as well on it as well. So, and that being said, this light, you can literally brighten the light. You can make it to be brighter than this. You can make it to be, so you can literally change its movement with the help of the remote. So is it, if you watch this video up to this moment, I really appreciate your time. Thank you, and more of this will be